Stop merging and centering cells in Excel. It is one of the most frustrating things to see is when you have cells like this merged and centered. There's a better way you can do it. Say for example, we were asked to sum our salaries and get an average from them. And we've got our grades which have been formatted, and I'm going to do the sum formula. And then I'm going to select column C, and look, it's not selected just my column C, it's selected A, B, and C. And now if I sum that, I've got 2.2 million. And if I average and do the same thing, you see it doesn't just pick up my just column C. And as you see, the average seems quite low. Reason? It's incorporating column B with our grades, which are written as numbers. Now, you could get around this by just changing the AC to C and it fixing it and going back to how it should be. But there's a better way you can merge and center cells. So I'm just going to undo all of this and I'm going to unmerge and center the cells. So you see I've got employee data. Select the cells where you want it merged and centered. Then hit Control 1 or Control Shift and F, and then go to your Alignment tab in your Format Cells window. Then go to Horizontal and click on it, and then look for Center Across Selection. Once you're happy with that, click OK. And now when I do my equal sum and I select column C, it just selects column C and nothing else. The same if I do my average, I select my column C, it only selects column C, and now I've got my average as it should be as $42,500.